Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sure XMP is enabled. First, you'll need to restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. This is usually done by pressing a specific key like Delete, F2, or F10 during startup. Look for a prompt on your screen as your system boots up. Enabling XMP ensures your memory operates at its optimal performance, often significantly faster than default settings. Once inside the BIOS or UEFI, navigate to the advanced settings. You might find memory options under sections like AI Tweaker, AUK, or Extreme Tweaker. The exact location varies by motherboard manufacturer. Search for a setting related to DRAM frequency or memory profile. This is where you'll typically find the XMP option, sometimes labeled as DOCP for AMD systems. After locating the XMP setting, you'll usually see a drop-down menu or a list of profiles. Select the XMP profile that corresponds to your RAM's advertised speed and timings. For example, if your RAM is rated for 3200 MHz, choose the 3200 MHz XMP profile. Be sure to review the displayed frequency and timings to ensure they match your memory's specifications before proceeding. Once you've selected the correct XMP profile, it's crucial to save your changes before exiting the BIOS or UEFI. Look for an option like Save and Exit or Exit Saving Changes. Your computer will then restart. After booting into your operating system, you can use a tool like CPU-Z or Task Manager to confirm that your memory is running at the enabled XMP frequency. This ensures optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.